Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Social Media. I'm your host, Brenash. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Reddit. Familiar with its unique ecosystem, I'm thrilled to have Talia Crow on the show. Welcome, Talia.
Thanks, Bren. I'm really excited to be here. Reddit is indeed a world of its own, and I can't wait to explore it with you and our listeners today.
Absolutely. Let's start with your personal perspective. How would you describe Reddit to someone who's never used it?
Reddit, to me, is like the Wild West of the internet. It's a vast, community-driven landscape where users can discuss virtually anything, ranging from hobbies and interests to worldwide news and niche topics. It's unique because everything centers around subreddits, which are user-created boards dedicated to specific themes.
That community-centric nature is what really sets it apart, isn't it? Unlike more curated platforms like Facebook or Instagram, Reddit's driven by the content users want to discuss, rather than an algorithm suggesting what they should see.
Exactly. This means you can find some incredibly rich and diverse discussions, but it also presents challenges. Moderation can be complex because of the sheer volume and variety of content.
Moderation, right. That's a crucial element. How standardized is it across the platform? Or does it vary significantly between subreddits?
It varies greatly. Each subreddit is moderated by a group of volunteers, often with their own rules and guidelines. This can lead to wildly different experiences depending on where you spend your time on Reddit. Some subreddits are well organized and maintain a respectful community, while others can be, well, the complete opposite.
That sounds like it could be both a strength and a weakness. There's this autonomy for communities to shape their own space, but how does Reddit ensure that these spaces adhere to broader platform standards, especially regarding hate speech or misinformation?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Reddit has platform-wide policies, but enforcement is decentralized to a large extent. Efforts are made to combat misinformation and toxic behavior, but given the vastness of the platform, it's quite a task.
It certainly sounds challenging, but it's also what gives Reddit its raw, uncensored feeling that many users cherish. Having spent some time experimenting on Reddit, what strategies have you noticed marketers or brands using effectively on this platform?
Marketing on Reddit is quite distinct because the community is very sensitive to ads that aren't genuine or feel forced. The best approach is to engage respectfully and authentically. Brands that succeed are those that immerse themselves in relevant subreddits, offer value, and openly participate without overtly pushing their products. Being transparent, providing something of interest, or solving problems can turn the community in favor of the brand.
So, more of a trust-building exercise than a hard sell. Have you come across any specific examples of campaigns that you've found particularly clever or educational in their approach?
There was a memorable campaign by a tech company. Instead of merely advertising their product, they hosted an AMA, or Ask Me Anything session, with one of their lead developers. It wasn't just about selling, it was about interacting with the community, addressing concerns, and discussing tech advancements. This not only drew attention to their product, but also established credibility and respect within the tech community.
That's brilliant. It's like they leverage the existing culture on Reddit to connect with their audience in a meaningful way. Do you see Reddit evolving, or will it maintain its current character as other social media platforms continue to change?
Reddit is fascinating that way. Despite being around for years, it has remained resistant to changes that seek to overly commercialize the space. I believe it'll continue to evolve at its own pace, driven by user demands rather than market forces. The core of Reddit is its community spirit, and as long as that remains, it'll likely keep its unique identity.
It's intriguing because it feels like Reddit is committed to its roots while delivering a platform that stays unique among a sea of social media options.
Indeed. And that commitment might just be its greatest asset. For those who enjoy diving deep into discussions, learning from others, and even sharing their own experiences, Reddit's a haven. But newcomers should remember to approach with respect, given the passionate communities.
Sound advice, Talia. As we wrap up, any last thoughts or tips for users looking to explore or even market on Reddit?
For users, dive in, explore various subreddits, and don't hesitate to engage. You'll discover communities that share your passions. For marketers, be genuine. Participate as a member first, before thinking as a brand. And remember that you're entering a dialogue, not a commercial.
Fantastic advice, Talia. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your expertise. It's been an enlightening conversation.
Thank you, Bren. I had a great time discussing Reddit and hope our listeners found it valuable.
I'm sure they did. And for all of you listening, make sure to tune in next time as we continue to unravel the world of social media. Till then, take care.